This is why you need to stay informed. The 2025 tech layoffs are more than just statistics. They're reshaping the future. The tech giants are downsizing. Google, Microsoft, HP, and many others have already slashed thousands of jobs this year. The reasons? Restructuring, cost-cutting, and a shift towards AI and automation. But these changes come with a human cost. Families are facing financial uncertainty, and innovation is taking new forms. In February alone, over 16,000 tech workers found themselves out of a job. March, even worse, with more than 88,000 layoffs reported. As the industry evolves, so must we. This isn't just about companies optimizing their workforce. It's about real people navigating an uncertain future. Stay tuned as we continue to track these developments. Understanding the impact today helps us prepare for tomorrow. For more updates, hit subscribe and stay informed.